Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be attending to some of these questions drop at my comment sections. Sorry it took me so long to attend to this question. I was a bit occupied. The question says, how do I trigger a coin? Please, I mean, if I don't want to buy at the current price, which is the current rate, I want to buy at a lower price. That is, you want to buy at a lower price later and sell when it's high. So we're going to look at how we can buy coin low and sell at a high rate to make profit. I think this will answer your questions. Okay, so let's quickly dive into Bybit to quickly answer this question. So here we are on Bybit. So we are here on Bybit, and all you just need to do is to make your choice. All right, let's look at the coin we want to trade. Let's say we want to trade cats or hamster. Right, let's trade cats. I'm going to look for cats, which is a cat coin. This actually is a cat coin, and this is the current price for the cat coin. All right, so what do we need to do? What we need to do is to answer this question is very simple. You're going to go into navigate yourself here to click on buy, or you go over to this place, this trade, in order to find your way to the buying session. Now we are at the buying session. Now this is exactly what the question is talking about. Now this is the current price, right? Now this is the very current price of cats, which is also available here. And Precious does not want to buy at this very rate. He or she wants to buy at a lower rate, that is something lower than this, right? He wants to buy at something lower than 5 times this 0.00512. Okay, probably you want to buy at 0.00, maybe 455, right? So what you just need to do is very simple. You will come to this place. To edit what you want to buy, and make sure this place is at limit session. Okay, make sure this place is at limit, right? And if you want it instant, then you can click on this place to go to markets. Understand? But make sure for the purpose of this question, make sure this place is at limit. All right, if this place is at limit, you just need to come to this place to edit. Okay, now this is the price you want to buy. Make sure maybe you want to buy 4. Okay, you want to buy 4. Okay, since you want to buy at 444, okay, sorry, the phone is a bit missing. So since you want to buy at 44, so after the editing, sorry, this call really distracts me. All right, so after editing, you are going to wait. All right, sorry, it back again. So after editing this place to 444, you will come to this place like here. After you come to this place to input how much USDT you want to use to buy. Okay, how much USDT you want to use to buy, right? You come to this place. After you are done with here, this is the volume you want to buy. You want to buy low. You don't want to buy at the current rate. This is the current rate. You want to buy low, which you have edited already. Here now you will now input the volume of USDT you want to use to buy. All right, I hope you are getting this. If you are not getting this, please drop your question at the comment section. I will attend to you ASAP. Okay, All right. So if you are getting this, then it's good. Notify me or indicate that you are getting this. All right. So you come to this place now. This place now to impute how much own would you want to buy should the price come to your taste. All right. Let's say I want to buy 50 with 50 USD, right? If I want to buy with 50 USD now here it has shown the quantity of cards I'll be getting with 50 USDT, right? The quantity of cards that I'll be getting with 50 USDT. Okay, this is my USDT. So in this USDT, I'll be getting this quantity of cards. All right. So the next thing I'll just need to do is to click on buy. Okay, let's see. Let's click on buy. So after I click on buy, it will take me to this place. I'll still click on buy cards. Now you can see order has been successfully created, but it has a limit. What is the limit? The limit says when it gets to 0.0044, take me to the trade. It's very simple. And if you want to modify this trade, should you have changed your mind, maybe you want to still reduce it, you can come to modify. And if you want to terminate this, you can come to cancel to terminate it. Okay, so the moment this volume reach 0.000444, this trade will be executed. Okay, this trade will be fully executed. So for now here is at the order because I have opened an order now. Okay, I've opened an order now. So for right now there is at the order. So the moment this coin price drop to that that particular volume, my trade will be executed and I'll be hoping for profit. Okay, so Precious, I hope I answer your question. So if you do have any question, drop it at the comment sections. I'll attend to you ASAP. Meanwhile, if this is the first time coming across to this amazing channel, do well to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop any video, it will get to you ASAP. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.